The electrical infrastructure of Kucha Wind Farm includes the medium voltage cables that connect with different wind turbines to the wind farm substation. All power generated by the wind turbines is collected, controlled, and sent to the national grid for distribution to end users. Each wind turbine is connected to the next wind turbine and to the substation by means of medium voltage cables. These cables are buried in cable trenches that run alongside the roads of the wind farm. More than 150 kilometers of aluminum cable has been installed in approximately 30 kilometers of cable trenches. In order to transfer the power generated by the wind farm into the national grid, Eskom constructed a switching station and electrical overhead power line to connect the wind farm substation to the Mulcode substation located just outside the town of Humansdorp. The power line is 28 kilometers in length and has 95 supporting structures. This line also provides the communication link between the wind farm and the Eskom grid control.